Hello guys, welcome to this new tutorial about creating these parametric walls in Rhino. So for the start step we can have a center point that I have already created here, and then I start drawing a line which will be our axis of the wall that we are creating. So I hold shift and for example I consider 9 meters or 10 meters of length for this wall and left click, and then I should define the sections of these walls. I will draw a rectangle with the vertical option, and I click here and here. For example, I hold shift and I click and I type 0.08 for example, and hit enter and enter, and then I draw my rectangle, for example 3.3 meters, and left click. So that's it. Now I can increase or decrease the length of this section, so I click on it and move it from the midpoint to the center line, and then I rescale this section like that. Okay, and after that I copy this to the end of this line like that, and after that I should change the cplane that I'm working on. So I go to this cplane icon and choose set cplane to object. So as you can see, the x axis and z axis is changed, and after that I decide to move this section a little further like this, and I move this control point to here, and after that I come here and zoom to this section, and then I start to draw another section for the waves that I want to create on this line. So I go to interpolate curve, control point curve, and choose, for example, this option, and I come here and start drawing. For easier drawing, I disable this actually constraints, and then I start to draw lines like this, and I go a little inside. For example, we want to have a lighting strip inside this curve like that, and here again I enable the constraints, and that's it. So I just need to move this control point a little bit to here and put it on this end point, and after that I click here and type close curve and hit enter like that, and I move this to, for example, here, hold Alt and create a copy from it on this line, and again here, and now I can change the form of this section. So I click on it and move this control point to have another form, for example like that. Now after this I will create a surface from these sections. So I have to bring back the main cplane, so I click on set cplane word top, and after that I type loft and then click on these sections in turn like that, and we just have to click on OK and then click on the surface and type cap like that. After that I just click on the poly surface and then I go to the top view and click on type contour and then define the axis of the contour and type, for example, each 6 centimeters we want a contour line like that. I bring them here, and then we can have extrusion from these lines. So I hold this circle we have here, and like that, and then I can click these surfaces that we just created and then hold cap, and we have our wall here. We can change the extrusion width. So again, I can extrude them like this, and after that I choose them and click on cap. So as you can see, we have created our wall here. I hide this and these two, make a group from these poly surface and zoom on them and go to Arctic view, and you can see that we have a smooth wall that has a parametric form, and you can actually put a strip light in this railing form that you can see here, and if you render it you can have a light back of this surface. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you had any question, feel free to type it in the comment section and I'll answer it. Stay tuned for other tutorials that we are gonna have in this channel. So till the next video, goodbye, have nice days.